You bought the Huawei Nova 14 Pro, you like everything. The screen, the camera, the performance. But you open the menu and realize there's no Google Play. And the first question is, can you install it? Today, I'll show you a method that takes about 5 minutes. No complicated firmware, no PC, no shady websites. Let me clarify right away, we won't be breaking the system, we won't be getting root access, we won't be installing unknown services with ads, and we'll be using official tools and open source projects. And at the end, you'll understand which Google services work fully, which work with limitations, and which don't work at all. Before installation, make sure you have a stable internet connection, your smartphone is updated to the latest version of MIUI, and that third-party app downloads are available in App Gallery. And it's important to understand, Google Play is not officially pre-installed on new Huawei models. But there is an alternative way to access Google Apps. It consists of 2 parts. Step 1 is installing MicroG. And step 2 is installing Aurora Store as an alternative to Google Play. Let's go through everything step by step. And step 1 is installing MicroG. Open App Gallery and search for MicroG. MicroG is an open source implementation of Google services, and it allows apps to think that Google Play services are installed on the device. Install MicroG. After installation, open the app. Next, go to the Account Edition section, select Sign in with Google, enter your credentials, and confirm authorization. After signing in, the system will synchronize your account. Now, the smartphone can connect to Google services through MicroG. An important point about what already works at this stage, after authorization, your Google account is synchronized, app sign-in works, and push notifications are supported, but there are some limitations. Google Play does not work. Google Feed is missing from the home screen. This is because the device is not certified by Google. If you are counting on contactless payment via Google Pay, this method will not activate it. But for most services, YouTube, Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, this solution is suitable. Now we need a way to install apps from Google Play, and this is where Aurora Store comes in. Aurora is an open source alternative client for Google Play, and importantly, it's better to download Aurora through F-Droid rather than random websites. Why? Because F-Droid is a catalog of verified open source applications without ads or modifications. Open your browser, go to the official F-Droid website, download the APK, install it, and after installing F-Droid, open the directory, find the Aurora Store, and install it. Opening Aurora Store. When you first launch the system, it will ask for permissions, access to memory, installation of applications from unknown sources. We allow it. Next, you will be offered a login method. You can log in anonymously, but for full synchronization, it's better to choose login via your Google account. We select Google Login and confirm authorization through MicroG. And now Aurora gets access to the Google Play library. In fact, you see the same app catalog as in the official store. Now let's test it in practice. In the search, we enter Google Calendar. We install it. Google Maps. We install it. Google Sheets. We install it. After installation, we open each application. They automatically connect to your Google account, which we added through MicroG. Let's check. The calendar synchronizes automatically. Maps determine your exact location, and your documents open up. If everything is set up correctly, the apps will work smoothly without encountering any authorization errors. Gmail, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Drive, Google Calendar, and most third-party apps work. So what doesn't work? Google Pay doesn't work, official device certification doesn't work, and some banking apps with strict safety net checks don't work. And it's important to understand, this is not a full replacement for a Google-certified device, but for everyday tasks, the method is completely functional. Is it possible to install Google Play on the Huawei Nova 14 Pro? Officially, no. In practice, yes, through an alternative implementation. The process takes about 5 minutes. Install MicroG from App Gallery, add your Google account, install F-Droid, download Aurora Store, and then install the apps you need. No PC, no firmware flashing, no risk to the system, and most importantly, you need to understand the limitations. If you need Google Pay contactless payments, this solution won't work for you. If you need Google apps for work or personal use, this method works perfectly. The Huawei Nova 14 Pro is a powerful smartphone, and the lack of Google Play is no longer a critical limitation. It all depends on whether you know how to set up the system correctly. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.